For 10 long years before Tempito Nils the Prime Minister, Marapekam Prime Minister, me work lo tokim gaman harima. All people blue PNG, all look at assets here. All look at assets here. They will not qualify for a loan. You must do something. So me making one plus submission go to government. Me to say government, we need to establish this organization called the Credit Guarantee Corporation. This organization, it will put the assets for the people. So then people like borrow, instead of them looking for assets to give to the bank, this organization will guarantee them. It took 10 years and finally in 2022, 3 years ago, government took alright, all approve him, or put him 50 million go inside the now line for stuff like that. By that organization being here is very, very important. It means that now all of you, if you want to get a loan, you don't have to put the assets yourself. Security, you don't need to put him. This has never happened before in the history of Papua New Guinea. 48 years before independence, until 2022, they finally did it. This is something that has never been done before.